Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Maintaining good health becomes increasingly important as we age, and nutrition plays a vital role in that journey. A balanced diet of essential nutrients can significantly enhance longevity and overall well-being. One of the simplest ways to boost your nutrition is by incorporating fruits into your daily meals. Fruits contain vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help combat age-related issues, support heart health, and improve digestion. In this video, we'll explore the 5 best fruits that seniors should eat daily. Each fruit offers unique health benefits, from reducing inflammation to improving cognitive function. Making these delicious and nutritious options a regular diet can enhance your vitality and help you enjoy a more active lifestyle. So, whether you're looking to boost your immune system or want to feel your best, stay tuned as we dive into the incredible benefits of these fruits and how they can transform your health in your golden years. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Hi, everyone. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are often hailed as a superfood, and for good reason, especially for seniors looking to enhance their health. These tiny berries are packed with antioxidants, which play a crucial role in combating the effects of aging. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and potentially slowing aging. Moreover, blueberries have been linked to improved memory and cognitive function. Studies suggest that the compounds found in these berries can enhance communication between brain cells, which may help maintain mental sharpness and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. In addition to their brain-boosting benefits, blueberries are also heart healthy. Regular consumption of these fruits has been associated with a lower risk of heart disease, thanks to their ability to improve cholesterol levels and reduce blood pressure. By incorporating blueberries into your daily diet, you can enjoy a delicious treat while reaping significant health benefits that support your mind and heart as you age. 2. Apples. Apples are a popular snack and an excellent fruit choice for seniors looking to improve their health. One of the standout features of apples is their high fiber content. Fiber is essential for digestive health, helping regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation, a common issue as we age. In addition to promoting digestive wellness, apples offer significant heart health benefits. Regularly consuming apples has been linked to lower cholesterol levels and improved cardiovascular health. The soluble fiber found in apples helps reduce LDL cholesterol, often called bad cholesterol, which can lower the risk of heart disease. Moreover, apples can play a role in weight management. They are low in calories and water content, making them a filling snack that can help curb hunger without adding extra pounds. By incorporating apples into your daily diet, you can enjoy a tasty treat while supporting your digestive health, heart health, and weight management goals. 3. Bananas. Bananas are a fantastic fruit choice for older adults, offering a range of nutritional advantages that can enhance overall health. One of the key benefits of bananas is their high potassium content. Potassium is essential for maintaining heart health as it helps regulate blood pressure and supports proper muscle function, including the heart. By including bananas in their diet, seniors can help manage their cardiovascular health effectively. In addition to their heart-healthy properties, bananas are an excellent natural energy source. They contain carbohydrates that provide a quick energy boost, making them a perfect snack for maintaining energy levels throughout the day. This can be particularly beneficial for seniors who may experience fatigue or low energy. Another significant aspect of bananas is their ease of consumption. They require no preparation and can be eaten on the go, making them a convenient option for busy lifestyles. Plus, their versatility allows them to be added to smoothies from cereals or baked goods, making incorporating this nutritious fruit into various meals easy. 4. Oranges. Oranges are delicious and packed with health benefits for seniors. One of the standout features of oranges is their high vitamin C content. This essential vitamin boosts immunity, helping the body avoid illnesses and infections. Maintaining a strong immune system for older adults is vital for overall health and well-being. In addition to supporting immune function, oranges can significantly improve skin health and hydration. The antioxidants and hydration provided by oranges help combat signs of aging. Keeping the skin looking vibrant and youthful, staying hydrated, is especially important for seniors, as it can help prevent various health issues. Moreover, consuming oranges may lower the risk of developing kidney stones. The citric acid found in oranges can help prevent the formation of these painful stones by increasing urine volume and pH levels. By incorporating oranges into their daily diet, seniors can enjoy a refreshing fruit while reaping these impressive health benefits that support their overall wellness. 5. Avocados. Avocados are often referred to as a superfood, and for good reason, especially for seniors looking to enhance their health. One of the primary benefits of avocados is their high content of healthy fats, mainly monounsaturated fats. These fats support heart health by helping lower harmful cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease, making avocados a heart-friendly choice for older adults. In addition to their heart-healthy properties, avocados significantly reduce inflammation and promote joint health. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds found in avocados can help alleviate joint pain and stiffness, particularly beneficial for seniors with arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. Another significant aspect of avocados is their versatility in meals and snacks. They can be enjoyed in various ways, from spreading on toast to adding to salads or smoothies. This adaptability makes it easy for seniors to incorporate avocados into their diet, allowing them to enjoy a nutritious and delicious food that supports their overall health and well-being. 5 essential fruits seniors should consider incorporating into their daily diet. We learned that blueberries are rich in antioxidants, supporting brain health and reducing the risk of heart disease. Apples provide high fiber content for digestive health and help manage cholesterol levels. Bananas offer a quick energy boost and are packed with potassium for heart health. Oranges deliver a potent dose of vitamin C, enhancing immunity and improving skin hydration. Lastly, avocados are a superfood of healthy fats that promote heart health and reduce inflammation. Adding these fruits to your meals and snacks can significantly enhance your overall health and longevity. Remember, small changes in your diet can dramatically improve your well-being. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like it, and share it with friends and family who could benefit from these health tips. Together, let's embrace a healthier lifestyle.